So we got an arched trellis system here from Vego.
The Vego trellis systems offer versatile length options to fit all of their different garden bed configurations. We got the VAT 60, which is vertical arched trellis 60, which perfectly fits our 2 feet by 8 feet garden beds.
We did not fill up these front 2 beds because you have to be able to get into the inside of the beds to assemble this trellis system. So make sure you keep that in mind before you ever do anything on building the trellis. You got to first make sure that your beds are not filled up yet, or that you can at least get to the inside of them to do the bolts. And you got to make sure you're exactly 4.5 feet apart from each other. The next step was we had to come in and take out the 2nd and 5th bolts and nuts because we already had this bed assembled. Bolts and nuts that we used for the inside of the bed is the same ones that came with the bed. We just reused them. And you want to make sure you use the capped bolt for the top and you use the regular bolt for the bottom one. That way you don't like scratch your hand or anything when you're gardening. The third step was we installed these, what were these plastic things called?
I don't know.
These things, connectors or something like that. And there's 2 different kinds. This one has like this little hook thing on it, and that one's smooth. So the hook thing goes on the top and the smooth one goes on the bottom, and then you put a bolt and nut through it and onto the inside of the bed here. Then once you get these connectors on here, slide these poles into the grooves of the connectors. These poles that you put in, that you slide in first, is the A1 pole. You make sure the male part is up and the female part, which is the flat part, is down. And you make sure that the holes are like this, facing on the inside to each other. And then you put the bolts and nuts on there. On these connectors, you use the H4 bolt and the H5 nut.
So down here on these fasteners, it's a little bit different than normally you put a nut and bolt together like that with a cap with a flat part on the inside. But on these, they're designed different to where you stick it in this little hole with grooves, and then you hold this. And first you have to line up this, first you line this up with your hole, and then you stick your bolt in, and I have to tap this with a hammer a little bit just to get it lined up with that hole, because you can't see it. And then what I do is hold this nut in and just tap that in, and then you hold this little nut in that little cavity there. Take this little T-tool and you keep pressure on that, and it tightens up that bolt in that, and you're good.
Now we've got the L3 pole and the H3 bolt, and we're putting it right here. The next thing you do is you put in the 2nd link pole here. That was your first one that you put inside your little connectors, and then you put your 2nd one on. On the arch, you have an A2. Two of them. And the middle is A3. And that makes your arch, and it just slides right into your link pole. And you do that all the way down. Now, one thing to keep in mind, right here in the middle, you don't You don't have to take those bolts out, and you don't put the little connector things there. You leave that one open, so you've got them on the 2 on the end. You leave the middle open and 2 on this end.
And then on these middle connectors, you skip one because that's where your small ones are going to go over there.
Oh, okay.
And then we just put these in here.
Cool.
Skip one. Let me see a screw. Now we're just installing these little cross braces here. And you have to skip every other one and then put these small ones. So I'm just gonna start assembling these.
Once we finished installing the cross pieces, the only thing left to do was to go through and put all of these plug inserts in where there was holes. And the Vego arched trellis is completed, and we absolutely love it. We love this new Vego Garden raised bed garden space that we created. And if you would like to watch the video of this whole entire project from start to finish, I'll put the link to that video in the description below.
I want to say a quick thank you to Vego Garden for sponsoring this video and for creating such wonderful garden products for all of us home gardeners. And y'all don't forget, go over and check out Vego's website and see what all they carry. And if you're in need of one of their wonderful products, please use our affiliate link in the description below and use our discount code to get a discount. God bless you, and I'll see y'all next week in the garden.